Okay, so the purpose of this video is to step you through section D. I'm just going to pretend like I'm a student, and I'm going to do this like I expect you to do it from here on out, okay? And we will do it specifically for example D. I do have kind of a generic group up here. The first thing I would do, I know I've got section D, section D is due, so I would log into my drive and I would open my group document and I would look at what job I have. Okay, and first of all, we're going to pretend I'm job 1. And I'm job 1, so I would go back to my project directions and I would see that as job 1, I'm going to be given a question to answer, a scenario to explain. I got to do some research and I got to type up my answer and I've got to cite my sources and give credit in the text. Okay, so the next thing I would do is I would go to my submission document. Okay, and I would scroll till I found section D, which happens to be the first one because the way I set it up, but you would be scrolling, and my job is to explain what should be backed up from a typical home computer. Okay, so I have to search. Now, how am I going to search for that? I'll just do what files should let's do computer files. Computer file should a home user back up. Okay, and I'm guessing. Like I said, I really have not prepped this, so I'm going to look through and I'll look at the titles that we see here. That's methods for, don't really care about that. How to use the backup utility, nope. What should you back up? So port code 42 crash failed. That looks like something maybe that Alright, so I'm going to try this one because it's PC World, and I like the idea of it being PC World for that. And this says it's the absurdly simple guide to backing up your computer, and let's see. Alright, that's methods on where to back up, and I'm just scanning right now to kind of get a feel for what's going on. Maybe I am. Alright, down here it says what to back up. Okay, so before you can know how you should best back up, you must know what you need to back up. Choice is ultimately yours. Anything you might want or require later that you can't recreate. So electronic documents, which is taxes, business, hard copies are scanned and discarded, artistic creations, memorabilia, photos, pretty much anything whose loss would evoke extreme negative emotions. Movies, music, and other purchased media. Oh goody, we've got a video playing somewhere. Sorry. Oh, oops, I didn't mean to click on it. Alright, back to that. You can always download those items again, so you don't have to back that up for that. They're not strictly necessary. It's especially convenient to have a complete backup of your desktop or laptop. Okay, it's described in method B. It's quickest, easiest way to restore. Okay, so if it's disaster recovery, you've got that. So, and let's see what method B said. Consolidate the data from your mobile devices onto your primary computer, buy a big hard drive, and back everything up. Okay, all right, so this actually looks like a really good source for any number of things. So we'll keep it in mind for future stuff. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a quick look. Okay, John L. Jacoby. Don't know much about him, but he is writer for PC World, which is a trusted source, and it's November 25th, 2013. So I'm going to say, hey, this source works. All right, so now I'm going to come back to my submission document, and I'm going to put my name in, which looks like I already did. And I would see here. Must have given. Let me get rid of that. Okay. Here, and I would say, let's pull that up so I can see it. Both at the same time. There we go. Okay, so we've got our simple guide here, and and I'm going to read the article. Listen, I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time reading. I'm kind of going off the fly. I don't expect you to copy what I'm saying word for word. I'm just giving you an example of what to do. All right, system image and recovery CD, Windows backup. Okay. And they got the rule of three, which is a good one to keep in mind, having more than one backup or backups in more than one place for that. Here's our what to back up. So, and then again, I would type just a little bit of a paragraph. I would say that oops. All right, so let's see. Let's type of this. Let's see, work related. Financial, school related, pictures, and let's see, what else did it say? Okay, electronic documents, artistic creations, memorabilia. So we could say pictures and other pictures, and we'll say videos that you have taken. And all right. These files would include items that are work-related, financial, school-related, pictures and videos that are taken. Actually, anything that you would not be able to easily recreate. All right. The exact files copied would vary from user to user. And I might say something about it is not necessary to back up items that you purchased and downloaded, including programs, videos, and music. Okay, so we can do that, although you can if you want to. Alright, so that's again just a kind of a general, and really probably don't need a whole lot more on that. Now I need to cite my source. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to get that URL. I'll scroll back up to the top here so we can see the author information. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come back to my sample document and I'm going to go to my sources page and open that up. And I'm going to pull up Citation Machine because that's an easy way to do it. And I am citing MLA style. So I will click on that. I am doing a website. So I will click on that. And I'm going to paste my URL that I copied. And I'm going to tell it to search. And it found my article, so I will select that. Then I'm going to continue. going to add the author's name. Jacoby. And it's got the website title as PC World. Okay, that works. Publisher, let's see. Article title, author name, website titles, PC World. Let's scroll down. Hold on. I need to click that. Go back. Before I scroll too far, let me stick. Great. Alright, so the year was 2013. The month. Was November, and the date was the 20th. Oops, well, not the 16th. Let's try again. '25th. And I will go make citation. We got another video going. Alright, and there's my citation right there. So I will, well, we can actually just click the copy button. And then I will come back to my submission document, and right here, under sources used, I will hit that. And because this was a fairly straightforward question to answer, I only needed the one source. I am going to, in here, I'm going to put Jacoby, comma, 203. Okay, so make sure I give credit to where I got that information. That should be the period after. Okay, so that's job one. And once I've done that and I've proofread it, I'm going to go back and look for errors, grammatical errors, spelling errors, any of those. I also am going to come back to my sources document, and right here I'm going to paste that source in there so that when I go to put my manual together, I've got it.